Oh! Alright guys, this is Bubbles, my pet catfish, and she outgrew her aquarium, so we're gonna put her into a new home. See you, Bubbles. Oh. Biggest one of the day. Let her go. Well done. Nice and heavy.
Okay, let's drag this catfish in.
This is a big catfish.
Woohoo! We
My
eating
biggest catfish.
what?
It's gotta be. Getting him off the bottom's a little bit tough.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yeah. That's a big catfish.
Not again.